I can stream. I'm basically streaming all day as long as I can do it. I've got some cool stuff coming down the pike for this. You can go through all of these recipes on blockdevelopercookbook.com that we're going through today, and you can learn a lot of stuff about custom block development there. Originally, they wanted a custom block that displayed their favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. I can't stress that enough. I think that like ECF, it does amazing things. SCF does things too. All those are great. However, it is a different mindset. It's more of a PHP mindset. It's more of like the way we used to do stuff. And like it's just more PHP first. And I think the React way is sort of where things are going. So if you get to understand that a little bit, it will help you learn, right? This is the greatest chocolate chip cookie recipe book ever. I have this concept on the site now of celebrity chefs. Deprecations are kind of they're kind of muddy waters, as you can tell. Like it's hard to get a reason why it's failing. Yeah, it is difficult to come up with recipes. Like before I get started on it, like the concept of this is like real world use cases, things that people actually have to build. And so the idea behind this is that like if I can show you an example that you can take that code and then actually do something for your client or your boss or whatever, then like you're learning while you're actually getting your job done too. That's the point, right? This is the greatest block I've ever built, I have to say. I love it. Okay, so this is the block that we're going to be working with. So transform is basically how a block goes from one thing to another thing, or how it can go from something to something, from something, back and forth. So we're gonna save this. So I should be able to type rollout exclamation point, hit enter on my keyboard, and look at that. Now we've got a block, right? Super cool, super fun. I had this really cool thing I was going to say. Now I forget. Just the conditions around locking would be different, but that's kind of a cool thing. It's all about the drama. Okay, here we go. So meme generator, we're in. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is we need to add some cool meme fonts, because that's how we roll, right? Cool. So that, I believe, is the meme generator in all its buggy goodness. Awesome.